coming out of Puerto Chiapas. We've got about 500 miles to Costa Rica. Now, we're going to miss Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, and Nicaragua, which makes us sad because I'm sure there's some incredible sights there, and there's over 35 million people living between those places, but too many reports of crime and unpleasant anchorages. So we're going to make our way offshore, avoiding fishing lines and pirates until we reach mountainous, beautiful Costa Rica.
There are millions and millions of little jellyfish in the water. All the dolphins are out playing with the boat. That is insane.
2.5 days into our crossing from Puerto Chiapas to Costa Rica. Got about another 24, maybe just a hash more hours, and I would happily throw myself in the water, drown myself if we got me off this fucking boat right now. Moments where you have to realize maybe you're not quite as salty a dog as you thought you were. And yeah, I hate crossing. God, I hate crossings. Just be a fair weather sailor. We did, in Ferris, about 4 a.m. we had like 10, 12 foot waves, and we had drawers breaking, hatches coming down. I doped myself so out with Sturgeon, which is anti-seasickness medication, by the way, which worked fantastic, and a sleeping pill, trying to get some sleep after my shift ended at 4. And it was crazy. It was like bouncing us off the roof down below and out here. You know, you're just trying to not fly off the boat. The dinghy was coming off. It was about as ugly as you could not hope to have at 4 a.m. It's smoothed out now. Anyway, some things just have to be born, and can't like every minute of everything, so this is the cost. Here we go.
We've wedged this broken cabinet with the yoga mat because it won't close. Things are falling on the floor. This is broken. It came swinging out of that top drawer right there and busted. And we have our water falling everywhere, and this cabinet broke too. Wild ride today out here in the Pacific Ocean, 50 miles off El Salvador.
Things are a little awkward this morning because I had a meltdown at like 3:30 in the morning. It was my turn to be sleeping, and Steve was sailing the ship very hard, so we were listing it about a 28-degree angle, which means that it's easier to sleep sideways and you're kind of standing up. And
Anyway, I should have just not said anything, but you know, it's the problem. You get a 4.5 days in on a crossing, and you're just wiped out. And you know, when I did my shift as quiet and softly as possible, trying to make it so that everybody could sleep. So then to come in on another one, then immediately as soon as I go there, it's working lines right above our bunk and stuff. I was super pissed, but you know, feeling a little silly this morning that I should have just kept my mouth shut. It's his boat, and you know, if you come in your crew, then you do it how the captain wants to do it, and you really shouldn't complain. And I complained, so I'll try and make up for it. Make some kind of a really good dinner or something. Sorry, my bad. But though the sea may be rough, we still gotta eat. Let's make up a little teriyaki. Shall we, guys?
Roan made us amazing chicken teriyaki for dinner tonight.
So, believe it or not, 4 days at sea, and the last couple of days in heavy, heeled over, nasty, wavy, white-capped seas. Actually don't have any seasickness, so it's just proof positive that broken watch is right twice a day, and you can beat seasickness out of that dang no-brain monkey.
Just so you can get a feel of what it's like being on a boat while you're out in the middle of the ocean, our swimming suits are hanging from the shower, and this is the angle that we're most of the time at. So try and go to the bathroom while you are at way. This is a calm day, but last night when the seas were rough, going to the bathroom can be challenging.
Well, we have arrived in Costa Rica. We stopped at this little bay just to sort of gather ourselves before we hit the marina and come in. And we don't think that it's a good idea to come in on a Sunday, so we're here for just a day to hang out, and then we'll make our way into Costa Rica for real, or maybe we're already here. I don't know.
What you doing down there?
My new home down here.
Oh.
This is where the bad people go. When you're bad on a boat, you can't get along with everybody else, and you have to go live down here.